Hi, welcome to US Business News. I'm your host, Tisha Powell. We're in New York, USA. Today's money news, Bitcoin. Build on Bitcoin. Why would you buy Bitcoin? Well, Blackrock, which is the number one on Wall Street, they're bullish on Bitcoin. Also, the charts are showing that Bitcoin has going over 30, which is a resistance and a support, and 60. So we know that is bullish. Blackrock is bullish. Banks are betting on Bitcoin. The government, SEC versus Coinbase. What do you think that lawsuit is about? Cryptocurrency, government, federal government, and 130 government entities are doing digital assets. Bitcoin was the first digital dollar to be introduced. Therefore, it has the most value, first in time, first in line. So if you want to do crypto, the most reliable crypto is Bitcoin. Here are the reasons you should be buying and building on Bitcoin. You can buy it, hold it, and then sell it when it hits 60, because it's at 30 now and it's predicted to hit 60 at some point in 23 or 24. It is bullish. As we can tell, it's up, up, up. Blackrock, which is Wall Street, the number one investor on Wall Street, they're bullish on Bitcoin. Here are the reasons you want to build on Bitcoin. Passive income. You buy Bitcoin, you can stake it. Every month, money comes in. So let's say you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and your digital wallet is paying, the company you're with, the bank you're with is paying 10%. That means you're making $100 on Bitcoin. 10,000 will be 1,000. So that's passive income coming in. Bitcoin has value. SEC versus Coinbase is giving Bitcoin the biggest PR in life. The federal government, the largest government in the world, is promoting Bitcoin by doing the SEC versus Coinbase. And it's not only that. Bitcoin was not sued by the SEC. That is huge. Bitcoin is also part now of the Chicago future, which means Bitcoin is valuable. Billionaires are very diverse or have different opinion on Bitcoin. Warren Buffett said he will not be buying crypto. However, Elon Musk and Mark Cuban slammed the SEC once, saying, why are you after the crypto? And Elon Musk, we know, had big up some current cryptocurrency on the internet. How do we know Bitcoin is here to stay? 2 billionaires in the United States, Zuckerberg and Elon Musk, are fighting over digital assets. Bitcoin is a digital asset. It's a digital currency, cryptocurrency. And we know social media is also a digital asset. In 2020, social media became profitable for a lot of people because 2 billion users are on your daily and you're going to be trading, and Bitcoin will be going mainstream. So Bitcoin will probably be the number one currency on the internet. And how do we know this? Because billionaires would not be fighting over Thread and Twitter if it wasn't valuable. And the fact that social media is valuable, people are going to be opening up more e-commerce online stores, and because of that they're going to need currencies to trade, and Bitcoin is the number one. It is over $1 trillion and it's now using blockchain, which means that it's a digital currency that we can trace, because blockchain is a digital ledger and you can own Bitcoin with wallets. Billionaires. So why should you buy and build on Bitcoin even if it's $500? First of all, I want to tell people it is stupid for you to go ahead and refinance your home, cash everything out, and throw in the cryptocurrency market. That is reckless, young people. I'm 47 years old. I'm telling you, any market can turn. You are gambling if you go ahead and mortgage your house to buy crypto, even Bitcoin. That's a gamble, because you cannot time natural disaster, any act of God, or government regulation. So be very careful. Even though Bitcoin is looking bullish, young people, do not mortgage your home to buy cryptocurrency. You are selling yourself in debt. You should only put in enough that is disposable. So 5% of your disposable income should be invested in one crypto. Do not invest in 23 or 24,000 crypto, because most of them are hype. Most of them are not even real. Yes, that's why people are saying, how do I feel about, I'm getting the emails, I'm getting the texts, I'm getting the comments. Go ahead and send them. I'm Tisha Powell. Go ahead and subscribe and send the comments. I am also responding to them. We are not going to be looking at the 23,000 crypto. And why aren't we going to look at the 23,000 crypto? Because some of them do not have value. So we do not want to waste our time with the ones that do not have value. We will look at ETH, we look at Shiba, we look at Bitcoin, but we're not going to look at all of the crypto, because some of them don't even have value. The SEC even name a few of them that don't have a value. And when the SEC is done with the crypto market, a lot of them are going to drop right out. So that's why we're not going in with the crypto at 23,000 crypto. They're not all valuable, okay? Do not be fooled. 23,000 cryptos are not all valuable. We're not going to speculate on 23,000. We're focusing on Bitcoin and ETH and Shiba for now, okay? Because people are saying, what do I think about this one? What do I think about this one? Some of them are just hype. Celebrities hype some of them up, just like that, just like that. They have no value, no market, no mining, no blockchain, nothing. But build on Bitcoin, because that one has value. It's got blockchain, and Blackrock, the number one investor on Wall Street, which is the United States. They're bullish on Bitcoin. And why would Elon Musk and why would Zuckerberg, why would they fight over a social media platform, Thread versus Twitter, which will be litigated someday, I'm sure? But why would they do that? Because digital asset is going to be a lot of millionaires. Digital asset is going to make a lot of people rich. Bitcoin is one of them. Boom and bust in Bitcoin. Remember Matthew 25 effect. 20% of the population who bought Bitcoin will get the wealth. 80% won't, because you have to be on a bullish to get it. You can't be on a bear market. Those who bought at 68, they lost. Those who bought at 15, they won. Those who bought at 30, they're going to win. So you got to watch for the bullish and the bear as well. And Bitcoin has value. You can value. How do we know it has value? Because the SEC versus Coinbase is about cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the number one cryptocurrency. Number two billionaires are fighting over social media. Cryptocurrency is the currency for social media and the internet. So we wouldn't have two American billionaires, Zuckerberg and Musk, fighting over social media if Bitcoin didn't have any value. Bitcoin is also $1 trillion. Over $1 trillion? How can you ignore over $1 trillion? So people who tell you that Bitcoin has no value, something that has $1 trillion or over $1 trillion is valuable. Build on Bitcoin. Not a good thing about Bitcoin as well, even though it's 31,000, you only need 500 to get in. So hello, that's for me and you right there. I got in 500 at 24,000, and I'm going to put in another 500 at 30, because I know it's going to go to 60. So I'm not going to put everything in, even though I know it's going up, because you do not want to put all your eggs in one basket. You cannot predict an act of God, and you cannot predict government regulation. So please, I'm begging people, do not leverage yourself to buy Bitcoin. It is irresponsible. When you're billing on Bitcoin, put in your disposable income, 5% of that, and you can rest assured Blackrock is bullish on it. It looks like it's going to hit up. And the candlesticks are showing this. I'm Tisha Powell. Subscribe for more.